A fridge bought for 120,000 naira depreciated by 25% in the first year and 20% in the second year. Find its value at the end of the second year. A, 30,000 naira. B, 72,000 naira. C, 90,000 naira. D, 102,000 naira. E, 108,000 naira. Okay. We are given that the fridge was bought at cost price. Okay. The cost price of the fridge, the cost price is 120,000 naira. Okay. Now in the first year, it depreciates. First year, it depreciates at 25%. Then in the second year, it depreciates at 20%. Okay. We are now asked to calculate the value at the end of the second year. Please pay attention. This is the initial price of the fridge. When something depreciates, it reduces in value. Do you know? Now, the reduction in value in percentage is 25%. So, if I want to calculate the amount in which the freezer used to reduce, the amount of reduction in the cost of the freezer, if I want to calculate it, I'm going to multiply 25% by 20, 120,000, right? So, I'm going to have for the first year, I'm going to have 25 all over 100 multiplied by 120,000. Do you understand? So that will be what? 1 over 4 times 120,000. Do you get it? So 4 year 1, 4 year 3. So the amount which the cost price of the freezer used to reduce is 30,000. So this is 30,000. In the first year, it reduced by 30,000 naira. The cost price reduced by 30,000 naira. So that means that at the end of the first year, end of the first year, the price of the fridge, will be 120,000 naira minus 30,000 naira. Do you understand? So at the end of the first year, the price of the fridge is that is 90,000 naira. Do you understand? Okay, this is the price of the freezer. This is the price of the fridge at the end of the first year. Now, at the end of the second year also, it still reduced. You understand? It reduced by 20%. So we need to calculate that as well. For second year, I'm going to, okay, let's put it there. For the second year, this cost now, I'm going to take the 20%. You understand? So I'm going to have 20%, 20 over 100 multiplied by 90,000. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have 1 over 5 times 90,000. Okay, 5 year 1, 18. So the amount which the fridge used to reduce in the second year is 18,000. You understand? So this is 18,000 naira. So the value of the freezer, you understand? The value of the freezer at the end of the second year will be 90,000 at the end of the second year. The value will be 90,000 naira minus 18,000 naira. Do you understand? So that is 72,000 naira. So the value of the fridge at the end of the second year is 72,000 naira. The correct option to that question is option B.